Farmers face many challenges, from the weather to the economy. But this year, an ongoing issue is coming to the forefront.
Gary Sanderson reports on the uncertainty in the labor force due to federal immigration issues.
For Pennsylvania's top farmer, Secretary of Agriculture Russell Redding, he's seeing or hearing about it firsthand.
You know, we lost 100 people out of one meatpacking plant. It disappeared. Like, where did they go? They had to go home. So those things are happening. Yes, I'm worried about it.
Federal immigration policies impacting the farming workforce and the fallout. One of the topics at a recent ag forum in Center County.
We're going to see shortages in processing and produce picking and everything else in short order without. And again, not so much the deportation, just the fear of.
There's ongoing complaints about the complexity of foreign agriculture workers' visa programs and calls for reform. Losing employees means losing revenue from one of Pennsylvania's top industries, agriculture.
Our concern is you need an answer. This has been a problem for 5 presidents. Nobody wants to have an honest conversation about what these jobs are, who's going to do the work, and how do you attract people domestically or internationally to do that type of work that, you know, a lot of folks don't want to do. That's the untold story.
An area congressman tells us new federal legislation is in the works.
On the workforce side is so important because without workforce, we have food insecurity. And with food insecurity, we have national insecurity. So I've really been at the table with this administration pointing out, I recognize that there are some folks working that are here actually legally.
According to a recent Federal Department of Agriculture report, about 42% of farm workers nationwide lack legal status. In Center County, Gary Sanderson.
Happening this week, Penn State's Ag Progress Days, which officially opened today in Center County. The event features hundreds of exhibitors, activities, plus experts from Penn State's Agriculture Extension Service offering advice on different topics. Ag Progress Days continues through Thursday at Penn State's Rock Springs Research Area. That's along Route 45 in Ferguson Township.